Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amide Pekilia, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys simple basic process you use to make your clove mixed together with rosemary leaves for your proper hair growth. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So first of all, one thing that you need to understand is that clove contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. It is also important to note that clove also contains anti-inflammatory agents, which further helps in hair thickening. Cloves contribute to healthy scalp, creating a favorable environment for hair growth. It also helps to enhance blood circulation. They have the properties that can help to stimulate blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicle activities. On the other hand, rosemary leaves contain urusolic acid, which may help increase scalp circulation and support hair follicle health. Rosemary also have antioxidant properties that could contribute to healthier scalp, etc. So as already seen, I went ahead to put my cloves and rosemary leaf in an empty container, and you guys, as you can see, I'm adding hot water. The water was not boiling, or rather the water was so hot to the point that my can was almost melting. So I would advise you either put your clove in boiling water or allow the water to cool down before mixing it, or just add warm water, hot water to your cloves. Not necessarily warm water, add hot water to your cloves. But either way, just add hot water to your clove, okay? So now, as already seen, this is day one, like exactly 1 day after we did the whole process, okay? As you can see, our cloves are now looking so dark, and the cloves have settled down, and then we have the rosemary leaves upwards. So now this is about day 3 of the whole process, and if you can clearly see, you would see how everything has settled down completely. You guys, there is nothing left up, there is nothing floating, everything is down, and you can see we have a more brownish color. So what I went ahead to do was to filter this and transfer it into my applicator bottle. So go ahead to use any transparent material. So I'm just gonna go ahead to transfer this directly into my applicator bottle, and then that's it for the whole process. You can use this. This is a magic for a lot of people that I know. I have tried clove on my hair. Funny enough, it did not work for me, but then I have recommended it to other people that I have seen changes on their hair, and I was surprised. I was just asking myself, why did this shit not work for me? Okay. But yeah, it is what it is. I believe there are actually other methods to make clove. There are other methods, including using oil and other lubrication. If people want to see a video on that, let me know down in the comment section. But this is just the basic process I'm showing you guys. It might work for your hair, it might not work for your hair. Yeah, life goes on. But then I have recommended it to a lot of people, and I know a lot of people who this have worked for. So if you are basically frustrated, you don't know which product is going to work for your hair, or you have tried several products and then they are not working, I would advise that you try clove within time. Try it within a space of 2 months to see if it's really your thing. Okay, so if this video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Do well to share, subscribe down below to join the family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.